Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. First look and leaks. The next fan edition phone from Samsung is coming. Here's everything we know so far. Design and display. Samsung is bringing a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display. 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth performance. Camera upgrades. 50MP main sensor with OIS for sharp photos. 12MP ultrawide and 8MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom. Performance and chipset. Expected to have Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, region-based. 8GB RAM and 128GB per 256GB storage options. Battery and charging. 4,500 mAh battery for all-day use. 25W fast charging, but no charger in the box. Expected launch date and price. Samsung might launch the S25 FE by Q4 2025. Expected price, $599 to $699. Should you wait for it? If you want a flagship-like experience at a lower price, the S25 FE is worth considering. Comparison with S24 FE. Slightly improved processor and camera. Better software optimization with One UI 7. What's missing? No headphone jack headphone. Plastic back instead of glass confused face. Your thoughts? What feature do you want most in the Galaxy S25 FE? Comment below. Like and subscribe. If you love smartphone leaks and reviews, hit the subscribe button and subscribe our channel Tech Talk for more exciting content and videos. Stay tuned for more leaks and official updates.